Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you're a pet photographer and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your pet photography business. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, signed up, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, currently over 900 for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, pet photographer. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your city, in your state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a website for you with the information you've just put in. And over here is a short tutorial on how to use the Mighty Sites platform, how to customize your new websites, and a few screenshots on how to do it. I'm going to go ahead and close that because today I'm going to be showing you the ropes myself. With Mighty Sites, the beauty of it is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images. They're really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. They're really adorable as well, as you can see. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of the photo shoots you've done of various pets and you want to showcase it on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone else either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers to see. So let's go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number. That is click to call, by the way, and our address, physical location. If you have one, go ahead and put it in. Leave it off if you are maybe mobile. Once your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your website, your business is active on. The icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. In the next section, if you have a business logo, you can go ahead and upload it here. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that pencil, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, make any minor edits. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on the color palette, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. No color coding needed at all. For each section you want to make amendments to make it a little bit more personalized, click on update section. Over here is where you can update the image to browse your device and upload your own images, or you can search through that photo library. There's hundreds of free images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account and pull in those photos if you have an Instagram profile. Under update action is where you can amend those buttons, call to action buttons, the text on them and where they link to. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. If you have a custom domain, you can click it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet, you can click on that button as well and actually purchase one via the Mighty Sites platform to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.